If you want to reset algorithm on Instagram feed, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, what you need to do, click your profile icon at the bottom right, click the three bars at the top right, scroll a little bit down to the suggested content, click on it. First, you're going to go ahead to the interested, and you're going to see all the type of content that you're interested in, and that means Instagram will generate more of these kind of content. Next, what you're going to do, go back and then go ahead to the sensitive content, right? And from here, you're going to determine that if you want to see more or less of these kind of, graphic content. And if you want to see more, click more and then confirm that you want to see more of these kind of content. Step 3, utilize not interested option. What you're going to do, go ahead to your explore, right? And then what you're going to do next, go to the type of content that you're not interested in, right? Let's say, for example, that content. Now what you're going to do, click the three dots at the bottom right and click not interested. And that way you're telling Instagram that you don't want to see these type of content again on your explore page. Next, what you need to do, clear search history. Go to your explore right here, okay? And then what you're going to do, go ahead and click the search at the top, and then what you're going to do, click see all and then clear all searches, right? And double click to clear all searches, and that will tell Instagram that you want less of these kind of content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.